Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will go through references in Excel, dollar sign used for references in Excel. We will be exploring three types of references like relative, absolute, and mixed. So here we can see set of data having various platforms like Myntra, Amazon, and different platforms. So having monthly sales, we want to find total sales. Let me just edit this. Okay, total sales. So you will be writing here equal to sum and select the 6 month data and you will be getting sales. And if I drag this down, I will be getting total sales for those months for the various platform. Here references keeps on changing. Like here it is from C6 to H6. Here references is from C7 to H7, C8 to H8. So references keeps on changing as per the selection. This type of references, dollar sign, not the dollar sign, this type of reference is called as relative reference, where the cell reference keeps on changing. Okay, this one is relative reference. Next, we will be looking into absolute reference. As the name suggests, absolute, like it will be the fixed one, the exact number or reference. So for that, absolute, we want like GST to be added to the total sales. For that, equal to uh, total sales. For that, sum in bracket, select the range. Okay, range will be fixed and multiply this to GST value. Enter. And if you drag, you will not be getting the exact amount or the answers. Why? Because the references keeps on changing. Here GST reference is what? B38. This is there under cell B38. Okay, B38. Now, if we drag it, now here we can see B39, B40, and so on. References keeps on changing. So for that, to fix this reference, you will be using dollar sign from your keyboard, or you can write dollar sign before B and after B. To use that dollar sign or fix the cell value, you can use function F4 or F4 from your keyboard. Now this cell reference is fixed and do enter. And now when we drag it, it will be same everywhere. B38 with dollar sign. You can drag it down. So this type of reference where the cell references are fixed having dollar sign before and after are called as absolute reference. Next, last one is mixed reference. Mixed is bit tricky. Why? Because you have to think you want to keep which value fixed, okay, and which value should change. So as you're aware, like in Excel, we can see columns. These are columns. A, B, C, D are columns, and these are rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are rows. So if cell reference is A2, then column is what? A, and row is 2. So here we want set of table from 2 to 10. We want to create that table list. For that, you will be doing equal to 2 multiply by this value and enter. And when I drag it, and when I drag this value here, I'm getting different options. Why different options? Because cell value is changing. Cell references are changing. Here for 2 and 1 means B72 multiplied by A73. Here it should be C72, but here C72 and here the reference change instead of A73 change to B73. Then D72 is right, but C73 is changed. Same way, if we drag it down, the references for row will change. Here it's B73, B74, like this. So we are not getting the exact value what we need. For that, you have to fix the value. First, you have to understand you want to fix which values. So this value, to fix this, you will be adding dollar sign. To fix the row, let's go with the row one first, because you need to understand, manipulate, like not the manipulate, you need to practice, and then only you will be getting expertise in this. So you will be adding dollar sign before row and dollar sign before column. I'm adding dollar sign before 72 and dollar sign before A. And now if we drag this, let's see what we are getting. Okay. And if I drag down like this, and if I drag it all over, you will be getting the entire table. And this type of reference is called as mixed reference. Thank you for watching.